Here's how to stop your Instagram stories from automatically sharing to Facebook. It's a simple and quick process, so let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. And now tap on the three lines in the top right corner to access your settings and activity. Now open the account center from the top. Then go to the connected experiences, which is between password and security and your information and permissions. Here you need to tap on sharing across the profiles option, which is the initial option in the content section. Now, if your Instagram account is connected to a Facebook, you'll see it listed on this page. To stop your stories from sharing to Facebook, simply remove the Facebook option. Go ahead and select Facebook and then select remove. That's it. Your Instagram stories will no longer be automatically shared to Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.